slime container. How fun.
What the
I forgot how to open it. Wait.
Who this?
Huh? Sorry. You want no face reveal. Sorry. I don't mind. If you're wondering why my hair is crazy.
Because it's always crazy.
No, it's not. It's not always crazy.
Boy, you wish. Your hair looks like a mop.
I'm gonna be a pet peeve.
What is the... Girl. I wish I could hit your face just
I'm gonna
like
do a
that.
one poke. It's because I was playing outside today with Adoni and the other guys and
Ooh,
Andrew.
You like
and stuff.
Adoni?
I don't like Adoni. I like, you know.
Vanessa likes Adoni.
I don't like.
Alvarado. It's Adoni. Wait.
I don't like him. I like someone else. Remember, and you better know.
Yeah, he likes Kenneth Chavez Palacio, who is my cousin. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I don't really care if you say that, right? Because I could always restart this.
And Vanessa cannot twerk. You bitch.
First off, I wasn't even asking for that.
I was just saying to embarrass you, bitch.
Well, I'm telling your mom, I'm playing.
Okay, go ahead.
Your
I'm
house is so beautiful,
scared.
Lily. I mean, look at this. So, clothes everywhere. Fucking slime. I don't know
That's
why.
not even how you play with slime, girl.
This is how I
Is that
play
how you
with
brush
it.
your hair? No wonder it looks like that.
Be quiet.
Be quiet what you mean, be quiet, girl.
See, this is what I mean. You act so sassy when you're on
Is there a
camera.
problem with that?
No.
That's what I...
Who makes it stop, bro? I'm
Shut
not.
up!
I guess that's enough.
Stop.
Ooh.
Sir, if you
Ooh.
that amount.
Ooh. Oh my God, this
Can
one.
you stop? Oh my God, this is a celebrity. Like.
I'm done. Goodbye.